Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Raj and welcome to my channel. Today I discuss two input NAND gate using CMOS. So first discuss about their operation and their circuit diagram. So basically this is the circuit diagram of two input NAND gate using CMOS. So here at NMOS are connected in series and PMOS are connected in parallel, where drain of PMOS having higher potential and NMOS is connected to ground, and it's the point where you get the output. Now discuss about the operation. When you apply the low voltage, that is 0 volt, on the gate A and B, then what happens? Uh, as you know that at 0 volt, PMOS are closed. So this path is available, or this path is also available to flow this higher potential voltage. So at that time when the both A and B having low potential, the output is high. Similarly, when either of the gate are closed, then we will get the higher potential. Only if both the PMOS gates are open, on that time we not get any output and output will be low. So this is the truth table of two input NAND gate. Now start how to draw this circuit by using LT Spice tool and then analyze their operation. So this is the LT Spice tool. When you open the LT Spice tool, this type of window will appear. Then go to the file, choose new schematic. Fine. So here is the component list for NAND gate and MOS. So see, here two type of NMOS is present. One is NMOS and another is NMOS 4. Simply in NMOS, substrate and source are connected to each other, and in NMOS 4, both are not connected. So I choose NMOS 4. So here I put it. Second NMOS, put it here. And to remove this NMOS, you use escape button. Now write PMOS and you know that PMOS is in, and you know that PMOS attached parallelly. So I put it. Okay. Now connected by using wire. Always subset of PMOS are connected to VDD. So I connected to VDD, and subset of PMOS are connected in such a way, and NMOS connected in series, and substrate of NMOS connected to ground. Okay. I connected the gate of one NMOS and one PMOS in such a way because applied only two inputs. So if you want to apply in such a way, so the circuit diagram is not so much complex. Now I use the escape button. Now choose the voltage. So this is the voltage for VDD, one for VA and one for VB. Now connect all the voltage. This is the extra thing. It produces noise in your output. So remove it. Now provide the ground. And output. So here is the instances. So I write V out and it is the output. So put it. Now for the it is VA. For the easy convention, I change the name. Fine. VDD. Apply 5 volt. Now go to the advanced because here we give the input in the form of pulse. So go to the pulse and then put it the value. V initial is 0. V on is take either 1 or 5. I take here 5. Delay is 0. Rise time is also 0. Fall time is 0. On time is 20 small m millisecond. Time period is 40 m and number of cycle I choose 10. Same for the VB 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 40 m, 60 m, 10. Okay. Now everything seems to be good here. The circuit is similar to this diagram. Now analyze their output behavior. So run. At the run time, ask for the stop time. So when you apply the input in the form of pulse, 1 second is sufficient time. I disclose this. No, no, yeah. Now, to analyze the output in a good way, firstly add the plot. So you clearly see and analyze the output behavior. In the first plot, I put the input of VA. In the second plot, VB. And in the third plot, so firstly I maximize it. Now fine. Now see the output. So as you know that when both the input are high, output is low, and any of the input is low, output should be high. So this output fulfill the input NAND gate. So that is about the two input NAND gate using CMOS. If you face any problem related to this video, please put your query on the comment box and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.